What if one AI system could power millions of robots, no matter their shape or purpose? Google may have just taken a massive step toward that future with Gemini Robotics 2, and this breakthrough could change robotics forever. Welcome to Technology Upside, where we bring you the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, robotics, and emerging technologies. Today, we are looking at Google's newest robotics AI and why experts are paying close attention. Unlike traditional robots that rely on fixed programming, Gemini Robotics 2 allows robots to understand natural language and make intelligent decisions. Tell a robot to pick up a box, avoid obstacles, and place it on a shelf. Instead of following a rigid script, it understands the instruction, plans the task, and carries it out. Gemini Robotics 2 brings several major improvements. It can reason through complex, multi-step tasks, coordinate multiple robots working together, and adapt to different robotic platforms much faster than traditional systems, reducing the need for lengthy retraining. That's a significant step toward more versatile and scalable robotics. Today's robots are usually designed for one specific job, but Google's vision is much bigger. Imagine robots that can learn new tasks, work in different environments, and assist across industries, from manufacturing and healthcare to logistics and even our homes. Gemini Robotics 2 isn't just another AI update. It's another step toward robots that can understand, reason, and act more like intelligent assistants than machines following fixed instructions. And we're only getting started. If you enjoy staying ahead of the biggest developments in AI and robotics, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. For more updates on the technology shaping tomorrow, keep watching Technology Upside. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.